The clinician is kind of at the center of everything that we do in Otometrics.
We've worked with our partners to form a new kind of educational and training universe called the Cube. The Cube is designed as a tool to educate and train our people to become the best in the industry, but also a vision of utilizing innovative tools to provide better training to our customers.
The intention for the Cube is to actually use it as a platform for knowledge for our sales and service channel, of course, but we hope to extend that to the clinician.
At Otometrics, we have clinicians who have a broad range of experience, so we all, to a certain degree, have expertise. It's in certain fields of audiology, certain aspects of audiology, and we certainly bring that to the table.
So it's a constant flow. Recently I was able to work with a clinician, and I was able to go in and customize the product to work the way she wanted it to. And she can access that very complicated setup with just a touch of a button now. And I'm able to take that knowledge back here.
We're using state-of-the-art tools that will actually allow us to make the services and training that we provide to clinicians more scalable, more accessible, to give them variety of ways to learn about how to use the product and how to fit it into their clinical workflow. ASI, Otometrics, our entire distribution channel, we're committed to making the clinical experience better for our patients, and that starts with making sure that clinicians are comfortable with the instruments that they're using, that it's a part of their natural workflow, and of course that starts with making sure that the consultants who are working with them during the equipment selection process are knowledgeable, skilled, and actually can help guide the clinician's choice when they're choosing instrumentation. And so that's a huge thing.
And that's kind of a backbone in everything we do. We want to make sure our vision of being the most customer-oriented distribution company in our industry sits on a backbone where we provide tools and also training and education to our team so they can act professional, consultative, and be accessible to their customers.
We hope that we're delivering on that promise. It's certainly our intention, and we'll keep working hard to do so.